We have the director here. Anu is here. Anu's done a fab job. Anu, you were beautiful. The vision was awesome. And we also have the producers of the movie. Preeti is here. And should we begin? I believe we all have a lot of questions to ask. We all have, like, we've enjoyed the movie. But I want to know from the actors, firstly, so heart-touching when you do it. It's so emotional. It's so difficult to not get carried away and be a little, soft about the whole thing. How was the journey of going about the whole movie?
Oh, I really enjoyed the process of doing this film. Me and Anu worked a little bit on Tara's character after the script was ready, just because we had to, try not to make her a bitch. Because, she is this kind of enlightened girl. Entitled girl. She becomes enlightened maybe, but she is actually very entitled in the beginning, and it's hard to sympathize for her. So we really had to work on that a bit.
I think it's to play someone who actually starts off with this, sitting on a moral high ground about, changing the world and knowing what courage is, and which is a lot of us, think that on social media you announce, a support for a cause and you've changed the world. And so, from there to actually see what, so I think it's quite, like, it's almost like an anti-heroine she starts off with, and then, she comes and realizes and appreciates and finds that courage, which is so difficult to find. So I think it was Tara's journey was difficult.
It's a
write.
beautiful journey, because it's something I don't understand. If something happened in France, why do we mark ourselves safe on Facebook? So I don't understand. But Naseer sir, have you figured out Twitter now by the end of the movie?
No, and I don't think I will. I can't be bothered.
Notice board.
Yeah,
So what an amazing character. So very well written. The sketch is so beautiful. Have you enjoyed playing the man in the movie?
yeah, it's any time you get a part which is so well written, I believe that the actor's work is practically done. Then all the actor has to do is to embody the character. It's really the parts which have not been well written, which one has had to struggle against. But most of in fact, all the movies in which, where I feel the performances have been successful, the credit largely goes to the writing and to the guidance given to the actor. And this is the kind of movie I feel particularly close to because of the nature of its, in every way, the nature of its budget, the nature of its subject, and the nature of the way it is made. It's very easy to, to see a movie and to just dismiss it or to say that you like it. But I think it's important, if films like this are to continue to be made, that all of you as viewers should seek something more than just entertainment in a movie. And I'm not saying that every movie must carry a cosmic message or something like that, or necessarily make a political statement, not at all. It's just got to be an engrossing and stimulating experience. And to make a movie like this, it's very brave of Preeti to come forward and back a subject like this, which doesn't have songs, which doesn't have any fight scenes, doesn't have any item numbers, which doesn't have any popular actors. Well, let's say the kind of actors who get bums on seats, in the stalls. None of those kind of actors, at least. So it's good that all of you are here and so appreciative. It's also important to remember that it's really, a film has been made, this film, under really difficult, straitened circumstances, and it's because of the backing of a courageous producer and the vision of a director who desperately wanted to make it, that all of us got together. And all these energies came together, and I think it's been successful.
It's actually been very beautiful. And इतनी आपने इनकी तारीफ की, I want to ask that ये दो characters हैं, उनमें से दोनों से ज़्यादा आप किससे relate कर रहे हैं?
Well, that's a difficult one. But again, I think, when I read the script, you realize that I related to it in some parts because I've been through a similar experience. And I think everybody here relates to bits and pieces of all of it. And it's not it's not really a particular character, but it's those emotions, those feelings that you go through when you go through circumstances like this. And I think, I mean, there are so many emotions here. It's not just there's grief, there's a little bit of happiness, there's a little bit of humor, and that's how you normally deal in everyday life. So I related to the emotions a lot. And I think, I mean, and emotions of characters, all of them.
And Girish, I'm going to come to the same temple that you go. And I'm going to take the prasadam from your hands. But I want to know, very subtle but very strong character, you know, underplaying something like that, you know, डांट भी खानी है और ये डांटती है तो बहुत मेजरली डांटती है यार, मतलब बहुत गुस्सा हो गई थी ये. And thank God that man turned out to be a man. But you were fantastic. And you know, to play a friend, not only a friend, but, you know, a colleague, must have been really difficult, you know, because इतना subtle था.
You know, as Nazir sir said, the magic is in the words. I live in Bangalore, so you get pages of scripts to, you know, audition for, and I just read one page of this character, and I was like, hook or crook, I'm doing this part because I felt the part, and this movie, this is the first time I watched the film, and I must share a personal story with you. I grew up in a very close-knit community in West Africa, and there were 5-6 families, so I've grown up with 5 dads and 5 mums, 5 families. So I lost someone, a very close, my close friend's dad passed away, and he was in a very similar situation. He had gone in for a surgery and it didn't work out, and the family was in a state, they didn't know what to do with that situation, and it's amazing. It's very emotional for me right now because this is that moment when both their characters were confronted with the truth that, you know, these people are not coming back and we'll have to live on with memories of them. I can't say more. The beauty in the writing, the beauty in the filmmaking, it's just such a beautiful, sincere experience for me. I'm thankful. I'm really thankful for being part of this. Thank you so much.
Okay. Question about real life. A question to Kalki. Do you think, like we've shown the new generation in the movie, your character is, and we are the faster generation, we are the internet generation. I'm calling myself also young subtly over here. But do you think we have the patience to pull something like this in real life? Can we? The patience, you know, like the two characters are so different. Your character is fighting, but maybe my husband will not get the perfect life, so I should pull the plug. And Nasir ji's character is fighting for the lastest, halfest chance possible. Do you think this is like a थोड़ा सा generation में थोड़ा सा gap है कि ये ऐसा सोचते हैं और वो वैसा सोचते हैं? Are they different?
I mean, I think it's from person to person what you decide to do, and there's no right answer to a situation like this. I really don't know what I would do if, God forbid, a loved one was in a situation like this. I have no idea. So I think it's a struggle from person to person, from your relationship with that person, what conversations you might have had with them before, and everything. Yeah.
I think the point of the film is actually to have the courage to face your destiny. I think, you know, that is what these two characters, irrespective of what age or whatever, I think, you know, the Shiv's character, even though he's fighting, he's not still, he's still in denial because,
Yes.
and so in that sense, I think both of them actually find the truth, you know, that facing the truth is the ultimate, you know, I think courage and growing up. So in a way, I feel both the characters, it's a growing up, it's a coming of age film for me for both the characters. Obviously, you know, when you're young, you think, you know, these kind of things can't happen to me, you know. We think we are like invincible in our 20s and those kind of things. But as you get older, mortality is a bit closer. So I think that's there. But I think love is, I think it's not related to age. And wanting your loved one to kind of come back in some form or the other, it depends on who you are and not age.
But, you know, off the track, can I please thank you? Last time I saw Nasir Saab dance was in OAOA. And this time he's been so natural in that scene. He's looking fabulous, and we were like literally clapping here. Is he a natural dancer? Did he agree कि हाँ नाच लूँगा?
It's very easy.
Very conveniently.
Very convenient. He chose the song also.
His back went off the day before. Like, you know, he was perfectly playing tennis and and then he suddenly like the day before.
Acha.
But yeah, I think he was such a sport. But it was yeah, we did have a choreographer in
But
yeah.
no, but we didn't really have to follow any proper
Yeah, it did,
steps,
yeah,
which is
yeah.
why we
Oh,
had
so
fun.
Naseer sir starts leading and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, very beautiful characters written even for the patients. You know, both the people suffering. But I'm going to get off the suffering part. But I want to know that how did you get the idea of the movie, the germ, the seed, you know, when it starts, and how did you explain it to the two guys here?
I think like a personal experience and you know what you've been through. So obviously I was in a hospital when my dad was in a coma actually, 10 years back, and I was very young. And I had to, so what that experience actually taught me was not, what I realized was, grief is not like one homogeneous mass. And the fact that there were so many things that were happening, and I joined a yoga class in the hospital, and I used to go and watch Friends, and there was so many, and I had all these friendships, and I used to so this was pre-Facebook days, so, and I think that kind of stayed with me for the longest time, and then I think, obviously I found the courage to say that this is a space I want to, kind of go into. But after that, like anything, right now it's a story about these two people. It's not a personal account of me, or it's not autobiographical at all.
Okay, I'm going to take my chances here with people who want to question a couple of questions that we can take from here.
Actors and acting, I think the dialogues are very good. But according to me, two things that Marathi Ghati, I don't think it will go well with Maharashtrians. You may have a lot of problems which you'll not be able to solve, because I know all these political leaders, so that you take care.
We've already, actually, this morning we changed that in the dub.
Yeah, so that's the one. And I think you should little short the film because it's too lengthy. People don't have that kind of patience to go along that way. Otherwise, so that is one thing. And generally, in India, people want a happy ending, if you see. So this is a very different movie. I'm not saying, but this is what I feel about, because I have been very closely associated with many of the film friends whom I have. So this is few suggestions I wanted to give.
Thank you.
May I take the liberty of...
Please.
Sir, sorry, I thought it was a very happy ending. I was watching a story about two people trapped by their attachment to their loved ones, and in the ending, I was so happy they finally were free. So that was a release for me. It's a very happy ending.
Thank you.
Very well put. I'm sure.
Also, I think it felt a little longer because the air conditioning was not working.
I know, so sorry for that.
Congratulations for the work, beautiful work. And just a small question, what goes in your mind when you go through a script? I've watched your movies, every time you come up with something different. So you are such a versatile. How do you select some script?
When I read a script in one go, and not much goes through my mind, it kind of just feels, like it's an instinctive thing. When I read a script, I know pretty much then and there if I like it or not. Yeah, that's it. It's really quite an instinctive thing. I don't think that it's not like, oh, I need this subject or that, it has to be about something. I don't know.
It's the vibe.
Yeah, if I don't check my phone through the entire reading, that's pretty good.
Thanks.
Okay, there's a question here from the gentleman in the third row. Dada, idhar laenge.
Is that how much this film would have changed if the subject, the language would have been Hindi predominantly? Because the last time I saw a film which had a lot of English in it, which would be like an English film, was the Delhi Belly. So I think this was pretty much relatable, as relatable a Hindi movie would have been.
I think we were true to the characters. These are two people who live in a certain milieu. And and that's India, right? There is Naseer sir's character who's a North Indian who's married to a South Indian. And there is Kalki who's from Mumbai and Delhi. And so obviously, if Naseer sir, they'll talk a bit of Hindi, but he's not going to speak Shuddh Hindi to his South Indian wife. So I think the idea was to be true. I mean, and then there is Girish's character. So when he's going to talk to her, so everyone talks in their real accents. They talk in the English they talk. So the idea is just to be very truthful to the characters and the milieu. So.
Yeah, I agree with that. I don't think the film, the spoken scenes would ring as true if it were to be spoken purely in Hindi or any one language. For example, Kalki's antecedents are not explained. It's not talked about whether she's European or whether she's Indian or whatever. It's of no importance. But she certainly looks like a person who would not be speaking Hindi. It would not be her language really. So I personally like this khichdi of languages very much because that's the kind of language we all speak in real life.
Which says, when Kalki says to me, I am done with you, that's a kind of the discussion and the anger and the... Was it written exactly that or was there some improvisation on that particular scene?
Oh, I think it's, I don't, I
mean,
it's-
that's the finest scene of the film. I mean,
Yeah.
one of the finest scene of the film when they two get into the discussions and they said, we are done with each other. I mean, the way they did it. I thought some improvisation must have taken place.
It was basically all written.
It's all written.
Yeah. There may have been a line or two which we added. My reaction to when she says the size of a football, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But basically, we played the scene as written. Though the way it was to be staged was slightly different in the
Yes.
original script, but then Anu and I sort of bashed our heads together, and I bashed my head a little harder than she bashed mine. So.
Yeah, as an actor, I was looking at that scene and I thought that was, and we just missed the name of the writer then, who wrote the dialogues of
Yeah, she is.
Oh, so give a big round of applause to Anu Sarkar. I mean, that was super.
No, I've written with, I have a co-writer for screenplay and Atika has written.
Yeah,
the
just dialogues, the screenplay, I'm like, just dialogues for that. And Nasir साहब एक सवाल आपसे, I mean, इतने सालों से, उस ज़माने से लेकर अब तक, कभी अंडरप्ले नहीं करना, कभी लाउड नहीं होना, उस थिन लाइन को आप कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं? I mean, how do you do that? I mean, I'm television guy. Television हम लोगों को मार डालता है. I mean, we have done around 3,000-4,000 episodes. कभी अंडरप्ले नहीं करना, कभी लाउड नहीं होना. How do you do that? I mean, I just want to know that.
I think you missed the movies where I have a.
No, I have seen it. I have seen even in Tridev. I have seen even all those movies. I mean.
No, I'll give you a list of the movies that you should see. One day I'll have a festival of all those movies. देखिए, I thank you for what you're saying. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I appreciate it. लेकिन ये underplaying और overplaying जो हैं ये बड़े faulty किस्म के terms हैं. And whenever I'm working with young actors, I make it a point to emphasize this, that there is no such thing as overacting or underacting. There is truth and falseness. And otherwise, अगर आप overacting तो फिर then Kathakali is the worst kind of overacting. Or Kabuki.
Yeah.
But that's not so, right? It is the kind of acting that is required for a particular form. तो हिंदी कमर्शियल सिनेमा में एक तरह की एक्टिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, इस तरह की फिल्म में एक दूसरे तरह की एक्टिंग की ज़रूरत होती है. And I find myself much more comfortable in a subject like this because मैं ओवर एक्टिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं करता हूँ. कई लोग हैं जो करते हैं.
Thank you.
जो लोग ये कहते हैं कि पिक्चर थोड़ी लंबी हो गई या इसमें ये हो सकता था वो हो सकता था, मूवी खत्म होने के बाद मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत छोटी थी. It's a treat to watch this kind of acting, this kind of legends. It is really wonderful. एक चीज जो मैं नोटिस कर रहा था, जो आपने स्टार कास्ट की प्रीति, क्या ये जनरेशन गैप आपने ध्यान में रखे नसीर सर को और कल्की को साथ में लिया, जो कैरेक्टर के साथ दोनों मैच करें?
मेरे पास स्क्रिप्ट स्टार कास्ट के साथ आई थी.
तो अनु के नाम से
हाँ, अनु से पूछिए आप, क्योंकि जब मेरे पास आई तब तक ये डिसाइडेड उसके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी था कि ये हमको इस तरह की
I
कास्टिंग
think
करनी.
जो ये कहानी है, it's about two people जो उनकी world views बहुत अलग है और जब वो साथ में एक ही tragedy को face करते हैं तो वो they realize कि that actually they have so much more in common. Then you know कल्कि जिसके मतलब 5,000 friends हैं ये हैं पर जब वो you know like बोलते हैं ना shit hits the ceiling. I mean she is sitting in Cochin and the rest of the world has moved on and there is this man with whom she has nothing in common. और वो लोग वो kindred spirits you know kind of बन जाते हैं तो it's about these two people you know so obviously I needed these two people who can represent these two worlds. So that's I think it's just that I think you are true to the characters.
Yeah, I also think that if Shiv had been a younger man, so it would have a danger of getting a bit predictable, the relationship.
Right.
If he was the same age as, what's her name? Tara is closer to age, then, you know, the temptation the writer may have had to fight against would be to, you know, where does the romance begin? But given the respective ages and how visibly I'm so much older than Kalki, and yet you feel, okay, hey, there's some sparks flying here, but what is it? So, and nothing which you fear might happen actually happens, you know. So I find that it's a very intriguing kind of a relationship to have two people of these two ages involved in a relationship like this.
So you know ये जो intimacy है you know that was always there कि like you're worried, you want, you don't know, are they going to get involved, are they not? But you know you have to everyone keeps asking me, will they fall in love, maybe, but but there's only one kind of, there's not only one kind of love, there is intimacy of so many sorts. और वो जो मतलब एक intimacy which you can't define, I find is the most exciting intimacy, and that you get it from these kind of people rather than just two young people maybe, yeah.
I can tell you one thing, we fell in love with this movie and it's wonderful work. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask, you know, like you have the whole rant about, you know, I have so many followers, so many friends, but nobody is here right now. I kind of got the feeling that somewhere you also actively blocked them out. And if there was someone to reach you, you wouldn't have entertained that.
I think what happens is obviously when you're going through that situation, anything people say, you feel you hate them. You know, that's what he says. Because you hate everyone because they're not in the position that you are in. So if you know, everybody is well-meaning, right? Everybody wants you to come back, but you know, like you hate every message. You think that, you know, so that's what it is. So obviously, and she realizes. वो जब वो इशिता बोलती है उसको last में कि you know, you have to tell your mom, and then that's when she realizes actually her friend is right, but you don't want to kind of accept. So in a way, क्या है कि they both were in the same stage, even though you know Shiv's character thinks he's reached the final Zen stage, but film के end में both of them reach that Zen stage, and that's the point of the film. So, yeah.
Anu, since you said it came out of a very deep personal experience, would you also say the film in a way was cathartic for you?
I mean, yeah, I think in the initial phases, I mean, there is no such thing as catharsis, I feel. The pain doesn't ever go away. And, but I think you kind of learn to live with it and say that this is going to be a part of me. So I don't know, like I've redefined catharsis in life. But it'd be nice if it gets...
Never mind it.
Do you mean beyond means beyond the 200, 300 crores? I'm so happy to hear that.
I can do very well. Quickly, sir.
Quick question is, you know, this bandying around of numbers I find extremely vulgar. It's, you know, it's almost like confessing the real reason we make movies.
Both of you to lock in that ये film करनी है after reading the script.
Immediately, I read the script and then, you know, usually if I read a script and I don't reply immediately, I'm not doing the film.
Got it. We'll probably keep that in mind.
He's writing something.
Yeah, same with me. I read it through in one sitting and immediately sent an email to Anu saying I'm definitely doing this movie. All right.
That's an iconic email. I think we
Yeah,
we read it very often.
Yeah, it's been circulated in certain groups, that email.
Fantastic. It has been beautiful indeed. I've really enjoyed watching the movie. For everybody that's on the screen and off the screen, big round of applause. They were too good.
But you know what you guys have to do now, right?
Yes. Speak about it.
Please spread the word.
Put it on the notice board, please, guys. Whatever that.
Yes.
तो तारक मेहता के बाद ये आपका नया एक्सपीरियंस रहा रहेगा ये
सी जिंदगी में हर रोज अगर एक्सपीरियंस नए नहीं हो तो फिर जिंदगी किस काम की। हर रोज एक नया अनुभव होना चाहिए, हर रोज एक नया कदम होना चाहिए, हर रोज एक नई मुस्कान होनी चाहिए। जी बोलिए।
तो इस फिल्म से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं आप?
देखिए मैं हर फिल्म से ये एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता हूँ कि वो दिल में उतर जाए। यकीन मानिए आज भी मैं उन दर्शकों में से हूँ, मैं अपने आप को अभिनेता तो ठीक हूँ लेकिन जब दर्शक हूँ तो एक दर्शक के तौर पे जब वो फिल्म जो मेरे दिल में उतर जाए, आज भी मैं जब आनंद देखता हूँ, अनुपमा देखता हूँ तो रो पड़ता हूँ। आज भी मेरी आंखों से आंसू निकल आते हैं। फिल्में मुझे रुलाने के लिए, मुझे हंसाने के लिए, मुझे खुश करने के लिए, मुझे संतुष्ट करने के लिए बड़ी सबसे कमाल की चीज़ है। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट। इसके दोनों प्रोड्यूसर जो हैं मेरे परिवार की तरह हैं। प्रीति इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एंड माय बिग ब्रदर अनिल आनंद राठी's daughter, and Manish Munra is a friend of mine again. So both of them has produced this film and और कमाल के कलाकार नसीर साहब और कल्कि इसमें है तो और एक कमाल की स्टोरी लाइन जो एक वन लाइनर मुझे थोड़ा सा ध्यान है तो हम लोग बहुत बेसब्री से इसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं और मैं जानता हूँ ये फिल्म लोगों के जहन में बसी रहेगी और उनके दिलों में उतर जाएगी।
वेटिंग से जानना चाहेंगे कि अभी भी हम सभी को पता है कि तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा इतना अच्छा चल रहा है लेकिन अभी भी ऐसी किसी चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं आप?
मैं क्या, सारा देश वेट कर रहा है। देश
आप
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि देश में दाल के भाव कम हो जाए। मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान के अंदर ये आतंकवाद खत्म हो जाए। मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान में हर आदमी को 2 वक्त खाना मिले। मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि पॉलिटिशियंस थोड़ा सा भ्रष्टाचार कम कर दें। मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि लोगों को ठीक ढंग से काम करने दें। मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि खाकी और खादी इस देश की रक्षा करें। मैं हर चीज़ का वेट कर रहा हूँ।
तो क्या हम कल्कि और नसीर साहब देख सकते हैं तारक मेहता में प्रमोट करने आ सकते हैं?
अब देखिए ये तो मैं कैसे बताऊं, कुछ चीज़ राज को राज ही रहने दीजिए। वी ऑल आर वेटिंग गुड थिंग्स टू कम, लेट अस सी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
You haven't been following. I've done about 6 movies this year, all of which have been released and disappeared unnoticed. Hopefully this one will meet with a better fate.
फीमेल डायरेक्टर के साथ में बहुत सारे मेल डायरेक्टर के साथ भी काम किया और
फीमेल डायरेक्टर्स के साथ भी मैंने पहले काम किया है, अरुणा के साथ, सही परांजपे के साथ। सो इट्स नथिंग न्यू और बहुत ही अच्छी बात है that more and more women are making movies. In fact बहुत ही अच्छी बात है कि हर डिपार्टमेंट में फिल्म मेकिंग में अब औरतें शामिल हो रही हैं। इन द कैमरा डिपार्टमेंट, एडिटिंग में तो हमेशा थी, बट इन एवरी डिपार्टमेंट इट्स अ वेरी हेल्थी साइन आई थिंक।
और कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस कल्कि इस फिल्म में आप एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा।
Second time you're doing a movie with Kalki, so how are you feeling about it?
Actually, it's the third time. Also, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, in which we were not together, but we were both in that movie. She's a wonderful actor, and I really enjoyed working with her.
नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला है अभी उन्हें, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैंने उनको मुबारकबाद दे दी है।
जी आप क्या कहेंगे आपकी फिल्म में मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपके साथ काम?
हाँ
क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं हमने बहुत प्यार और मेहनत से ये फिल्म बनाई है। अभी तक जिसको भी दिखाई है सबको बहुत पसंद आई है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि जब हम रिलीज़ करें 27 को तो ऑडियंस थिएटर में आके फिल्म देखे, यही हमारी सबसे बड़ी ख्वाहिश है एंड आई होप दैट कम्स ट्रू।
और किसी को फिल्म दिखाना चाहेंगे आप, लाइक जो ए ग्रेड के एक्टर हैं किसी को?
हम दिखा रहे हैं, आई मीन जिसको भी दिखा हम अभी दैट्स व्हाई हमने शुरू किया है ताकि लोग देखें और क्या बोलते हैं वर्ड ऑफ माउथ और वो सब जो चीज़ें हैं वो सो दैट मोर पीपल कम एंड वॉच द फिल्म। हमने शुरू किया है, काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं आज जो फिल्म देख रहे हैं। तो आई थिंक द फिल्म इज अबाउट समथिंग दैट जो हर कोई कभी ना कभी ज़िंदगी में एक्सपीरियंस करेगा, कि सम लव्ड वन जो हॉस्पिटल में है, कभी ना कभी जो जहाँ से भी हो आप हो, कि अमीर हो गरीब हो कहीं पे भी हो, कभी ना कभी तो हमको मतलब हॉस्पिटल में जाके वेट करना पड़ता है और ऐसे बहुत मुश्किल डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं लाइफ में। तो ये उस टाइम का है, उस डिसीजन मेकिंग के बारे में है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी जो इसमें जो स्टोरी है ये सबको पसंद आनी चाहिए क्योंकि रिलेट होना चाहिए, सबको रिलेट कर सकते हैं। तो और बहुत मतलब प्यारा परफॉर्मेंसेस है दोनों का और हंसेंगे रोएंगे और यू नो इट्स एंटरटेनिंग इन दैट वे सो आई जस्ट होप दैट पीपल गिव इट अ चांस and come and experience it and yeah that's all.
Any directorial experience would you like to share with the audience and the viewers?
I think it was both like a beautiful and a difficult experience because we were shooting in a hospital and it was we were shooting under like really difficult circumstances but there was so much passion and there were a lot of women on the film set because my DOP is a woman and my producer is a woman, my EP was a woman, so there were a lot of women on the film set. So एक बहुत अच्छी सी एनर्जी थी सेट पे और मतलब हाँ दिल खोल के फिल्म बनाया तो आई थिंक इट शोज ऑन द स्क्रीन.
आगे आने वाले दिनों में ऐसे कौन कौन सी दिल खोल के फिल्में बनाने वाले हैं कुछ अगर प्रोजेक्ट है आपके पास?
अभी तो मतलब पहले ये निकल जाए और अच्छी तरह कमाए तो फिर और भी फिल्म्स बन सकेंगी तो या वही मतलब दैट्स माय ख्वाहिश.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I've seen the film before. Yeah, I think it's a very beautiful film. It's truthful and relatable and yeah.
Okay, tell me how did you go about the researches? I mean, any preparation or something else?
A lot of preparation was actually sitting with my director Anu and rewriting some of the bits of Tara's dialogues. Making her more relatable. Also more like a Bombay girl and stuff. So we did that together. And then, readings with Nasir sir just during the set. And it was quite a, we didn't do a lot of intellectual talk. It was just practice and work together.
After watching this film, what do you feel? कुछ कमी रहेगी? कुछ आप ऐसा सोचते हैं कि वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा बेटर हो सकता था? एक्टिंग को लेके, सीन्स को लेके.
क्या बेटर हो सकता है?
और बेटर हो सकता था?
हमेशा ऐसा सोचती हूँ हर फिल्म के बाद that I can do better, I can do better, which is why I keep acting. अगर मैं perfect थी तो मैं रुक जाती हूँ acting.
First one of National Award. How are you feeling about it?
I feel great. I feel really super.
And we really hope we get an award for this as well.
Thanks.
And what this is the audience like? People think there's a chemistry between Shiv and Tara. So
yeah, I think there's a very beautiful relationship between Shiv and Tara, and it's a very unconventional, unusual relationship. You don't usually see a young woman and older man coming together on screen. And yeah, it's not your conventional romantic relationship, but there is love between the two, and they find a support and comfort in each other.
How did you time? How much did you time? कितना टाइम आपने लिया इस कैरेक्टर को तैयार करने के लिए? How much time did you take?
We did like a little bit of workshopping, probably for a few weeks, 2-3 weeks before the film, and then the film itself took about 30 days.
Any upcoming projects?
Yes, I'm doing a film with Konkana Sen Sharma, her first film as a director. It's called A Death in the Ganj, based in the 1970s on a true story.
Thanks.
there's a rift between Kamina and Hrithik going on. Would you like to comment?
I'm not interested, sorry.
Thanks so much.